அன்புள்ள மாணவர்களே, உங்கள் மாராஜ் பேசுகிறேன். ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் 10 மேத்ஸில் ஜாமெட்ரியில் வந்து டேஞ்சன்ஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். அதாவது டேஞ்சன்ஸ் டிராயிங் ஃப்ரம் அவுட் சைட் பாயிண்ட்லேருந்து பார்க்க போகிறோம். பார்த்துக்கோங்க, கொஞ்சம் செம்ம கவனமாக கவனிங்க. ட்ராய் அ சர்க்கிள் ஆஃப் டயாமீட்டர் அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணுங்க. ட்ராய் அ சர்க்கிள் ஆஃப் டயாமீட்டர் அப்படின்னா நல்லா கவனமாக கவனிங்க. whenever you are asked to draw a circle, you must find whether radius or diameter is given. இங்க என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? diameter is given. Therefore first you must find the radius. எழுதுங்கப்பா. radius equal to diameter by 2. கவனம். First see here whether you are given diameter or radius. Whether you are given diameter or radius. Suppose you are given diameter, you must find the radius by dividing by 2. Listen here, you are given diameter, therefore to find the radius, use the formula radius equal diameter by 2, that is equal to 10 by 2, that is equal to 5 centimeter. Suppose you are given radius, automatically you are given radius directly, therefore write as it is, radius equal to this. Don't divide once again by 2. நம்ம இருக்காங்க ரேடியஸ் கொடுத்தாலும் 2 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணுவாங்க, டயமீட்டர் கொடுத்தாலும் 2 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணுவாங்க. அப்படி பண்ணக்கூடாது. சப்போஸ் யூ ஆர் given diameter, you must divide by 2 for finding out the radius. Suppose you are given radius, jolly, yes papa, right, directly. Here which is given? Diameter is given, therefore radius equal to 10 by 2 equal to 5 cm. பிரச்சனை இல்லை. Now draw two tangents to the circle from a point P. Therefore you must mark a point P here. You are not given the name of the center, therefore name the center as O. அதனால சென்டர் நாம நான் O ன்னு வச்சிருக்கேன். You are given a point which is 13 cm away from the center. அப்ப இதுல இருந்து 13 cm away இருக்கணும் பாத்துக்கங்க. What is this point? P. From P you must draw two tangents to the circle. Name the point of contact as A and B. A and B. What is the main? It is the radius 5. It is given 13. It is length of the tangent. We are going to find what is the property of the tangent. The angle between the radius and the tangent must be 90. Therefore, this angle should be 90. Therefore, you are going to draw a right angle triangle whose one side is 5 and hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. How will you draw? We know a property. The angle in the semicircle. The angle in the semicircle must be equal to 90. What is this point? It is a point on the semicircle. Therefore, this angle must be 90. It is a property. Therefore, we have to draw tangents by using the property. How? Here, see here. Fair diagram or original figure. What is asked? Draw a circle of diameter. Now we have found out the radius. But draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. But take 5 cm from the compass and draw a circle. Super. Draw a circle. Very good. Draw a circle. What is the center of the circle? We have named out O. Mark the center as O. Now we are going to take a point which is 30 cm away from the center. What is that point? P. Take a point from O which is 13 cm away from the center. O ல இருந்து 13 cm க்கு ஒரு பாயிண்ட் நோட் பண்ணுங்க. அந்த பாயிண்ட்க்கு என்ன பேர்? P. அங்க இருக்கு P. Very good. Now join O and P. Now we are going to take a point on O such that the angle between this OA and AP must be 90. Therefore, we have to draw a circle using OP as a diameter. OP diameter வச்சு ஒரு சர்க்கிள் போட போறோம். சர்க்கிளுக்கு எது மெயின்? Which are the main points of a circle? The center and the radius. What is the center? The midpoint of OP. How will you find the midpoint? By measuring, but don't measure. Using the compass, you can find the center by drawing the perpendicular bisector. Draw a perpendicular bisector to OP. என்ன செய்வீங்க? Take half of OP and mark arc on the above side and also below the OP. Mark it. This line is not necessary. If you draw a line through the two intersections, now here only mark boldly. Now draw a line. slightly, lightly draw the line. That line is not required for us. It will confuse you. Now this point is very essential. Mark this point as M, midpoint. What is M? The first letter of Morris R. Don't say like this. What is M? Midpoint of OP. But draw a circle whose center is M and passing through O and P. Now, draw a circle slightly. Now here only boldly. That point is very essential. Similarly, now draw a circle lightly. Now the circle is passing through O and B, jolly. Now which are essential? The point of intersection of the two circles. It is A, capital A. That is capital B. Now listen here. O is a point on the circle passing through O and B. Therefore A is a point on the semicircle. Therefore the angle between OA and AP must be 90. That AP is a tangent. Prachana is over. Now join OA, AP, OB, BP. Join OA, PA. It is one of the tangents. What's other tangent? Join P and B. It is other tangent. Now join OA and OP to verify whether the A is 90 degrees. Very good, that is 90. It is also 90. Up odd tie over. What is OA? That is the radius of the smaller circle, 5. What is OB? 5. OB is also 5. Which is asked length of the tangents. What is the length of the tangent? PA and BB. Measure length of the tangent. Very good. What is the measurement? 12 centimeters. Very good. Very good. 12 is the answer. Very good. What is 12? Here also 12. What is 12? Length of the tangent. Now you got to verify using the calculation. How will you measure the calculation? It is unknown to us. What is this angle? 90. Therefore it is the hypotenuse. It is other side. What is the formula? The square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides, which are given. It is given. It is hypotenuse given. Therefore, it is equal to root of this square minus this square. That's the formula. Length of the tangent equal to square root of d square minus r square. What is d? The distance between the center and P. Our root of what is OP square? 13 square. What is R? Radius 5 square. இது கூட என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா you can use the formula a plus b a minus b போட்டு டக்குன்னு ஆன்சர் வந்துரும். It is equal to root of போடுங்களேன் 13 plus 5 into 13 minus 5. What is 13 plus 5? 18 into 2 வந்துருமா? 18 into 8. இது என்ன பண்ணலாம் பாருங்களேன் 9 into 2 போடுங்க. It is equal to square root of 9 into 2 2 into 4. 9 க்கு 3 வருமா? அப்ப that is equal to 3 into இதுக்கு ஒரு 2 வரும், அதுக்கு ஒரு 2 வரும். 3 into 2 into 2. அப்ப என்ன ஆன்சர்? 3 into 2 into 2 என்ன வரும்? 12 cm. Very good. Suppose இது பிடிக்கல பயமா இருக்குடா. What is 13 square? 169. 169 minus 25. That's it 144. சூப்பரா வந்து ரூட் ஆஃப் போட்டு வந்துரும் பாத்துக்கங்க. என்ன மாணவர்களே? மூணே பாயிண்ட் தான். First which is given radius. You got to find which is given diameter is given. You got to find the radius. Very good. அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணோம்? Draw a circle of radius 5 cm. Very good. And mark a point P which is 13 cm away from the center. மார்க்கியாச்சு. அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணோம்? Draw a circle using OP as a diameter. For that you must find the center of the circle, that's midpoint of OP, by using the perpendicular bisector. Okay, take this as M, draw a circle, join AP and AB. You will get definitely 8 marks inside your pocket, pant pocket and also shirt pocket. Very good. பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, மறந்துடாம கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. நன்றி, வணக்கம். உங்கள் மாரிராஜன்.